Yes, we're going inside the church. I'm here at Monte Maria Shrine with Mommy, Lola, Tita, and Daddy's right there. So, no, so ayan, dali na yung mga drone. And I'm hoping na makapag-take na kami ng video using my drone. Nasa kabilang side, guys, yung church. And right here naman is yung canteen nila. I don't know if malakas yung voice ko kasi medyo marami rin tao. Right there, may mga food stalls, as you can see. Oh, okay, dito tayo para mag-purchase ng ticket. Hi everyone! So ayan, we're now heading at the view deck. It's actually located at the 17th floor of this building and we actually paid 150 pesos para doon. And if you're a senior citizen or a student, it's only 100 pesos yung ticket. So ayan, kailangan namin pumila. As you can see, super habang pumila dito. But I know that it's going to be worth it naman dun sa taas. So let's go! We're now heading at the 17th floor. So advice ko lang isagahan you guys at mag-revisit kayo dito kasi sobrang dami ng tao. Regular mo ba? Yes.
Yeah! Halata talaga.
Say hi to my mom.
Yeah!
Kumapahilo ko. Hi, thank you.
Anong alam mo? Ano?
YouTube channel. Miss Erica.
Miss Erica?
Yes. Wait.
M-I-Z-Z.
Yes, we can only stay here for only 15 minutes. Ang ganda ng lighting, guys. Wow, there's a lot of people outside. Wow, super ganda ng view, guys.
Ay, sorry.
Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God. Medyo mahangin lang talaga siya, guys. Pero ayan, super close na namin doon sa face ni Mama. Wow, sobrang ganda ng view. Especially yung sea dito, guys. Kita-kita. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng view.
Oh, ang ganda dito pag ano.
Yes. So as you can see, guys, nandito yung first ever glassbook here in the Philippines. But if I'm not mistaken, only the VIPs have an access there. So naka 15 minutes na kami and ayan, pupunta na ulit kami dun sa ground floor. So let's go! Wow! Hi guys! Pagod ka na ba, Daddy? Pagod ka? So ayan, nandito kami sa canteen ng church nila. So kakain po si Lola ng lunch kasi mukhang mahilo siya. So magra-rice meal muna. So once na nag-enter kasi kayo dito, sa left side is yung church nila kung saan tayo pumunta kanina. And then dito naman sa right side is ito nga ang canteen. Kung saan pwede din kayong pumunta dun sa view deck nila, which is yung pinuntahan natin sa 17th floor. And dito rin kayo sa canteen pwede mag-purchase ng ticket. So ayan, yung mga foods dito nakita ko, meron sila dong mga snack section. So ayan. And ilan lang din dito yung mga food stalls nila. And yung iba, I can see some people here na meron silang mga dalang sarili nilang mga food. Foods na nandito is mga ice cream, and yun lang mga junk foods, and yung mga juice lang. I don't know kung anong binili ni Mom. I thought ko lang mga rice meal. Meron pala, guys. Look at this. I think this is an adobo. Adobo right here. Pork adobo. We also got some fried eggs and plain rice. I think this one is sinangal. I think merong ano din pala dito, rice meal. I don't know kung magkano to. I'm not sure though. Pero guys, grabe. Talagang kapag nag-visit kayo dito, just make sure na talagang nakaipit yung gear nyo. Because if not, ayan, sobrang gulo na ng dulo. Kasi super lakas ng hangin, especially dun sa taas. Ito guys, another one right here. Meron din tayong fried bangus. Then, secretly, there's also an egg and fried rice. Okay, so this one right here is longganisa. This one is 70 pesos. And then, if merong rice, is 120 pesos. Quite pricey, guys. So, if may time kayo na mag-pack ng food, so you better bring your own food. And ayun, later guys, is pupunta naman kami dun sa mirror deck. Sobrang ganda din mag-take ng pictures. Parang, yung sa Thailand, yung meron siyang mirror, and at the same time, meron siyang iba't ibang mga decorations kung saan pwede kayo mag-take ng picture, yung mga mall, and kitang-kita talaga din yung Mama Mary. And you know what guys, I just found out na yung Mama Mary building pala dito, taas pa siya kaysa dun sa Statue of Liberty na located sa ibang bansa. It's actually good. Kalasan niyo yung homemade adobo ni Mami. Medyo nadi-disappoint lang ako sa policies nila dito, guys. Kasi kanina, super daming nagpapalipad ng drone. And meron din talaga akong dala. So, nagpaalam ako and hindi daw pwede. Pero, hindi nila checkpoint yung mga nagpapafly na drone kanina. So, hindi sila ganun ka-fair sa mga visitors nila dito. And I don't really like that. Ayun guys, papunta na kami dun sa mirror deck. So, if I'm not mistaken, dun pa talaga siya sa pinakang rooftop. And yung entrance dito is 80 pesos per head lang. And once na pumasok kayo dito guys, ito yung makikita niyo dito sa loob. So, ayan. Meron silang diorama nung buong place. And makikita niyo talaga mismo dun si Mama Mary. We're going outside kasi super ganda rin ang view right here. Wow, look at that. Such a beautiful view. Hi everyone! We're done taking pictures. Actually, dalawa yung pwede niyong pag-takean. This one and this one here. Pero medyo nakakatakot lang siya guys. As you can see, walang harang. So, pwede kayong mahulog talaga dito. Pero ang ganda dito ng view. As you can see, kita mismo yung shrine. May gift si Daddy, hindi ko alam kung ano. Tapos yan. Kaya pala, nawawala siya kanina. Wow! Ano ba wala feeling? Oh my God, what's this? Unboxing. Pakita. Oh my God. Wow! Wala, totoo! Oh my God, gold! Okay, thank you, Daddy. Give me that sa akin. Thank you. Yes. Look at that. $17,390. Oh my God, thank you so much, Daddy. Suot natin mamaya. Today is actually the continuation of my birthday celebration. So we're here at Arabella, located in Lilo, Laguna. So kasama ko si Mommy and Lola today. So ayan, si Daddy kasi nasa work pa siya. So later pa siya ng 7 PM dadating. And right after this, actually may meeting pa ako sa work, kaya medyo nagmamadali din kami. Nakatapos lang din namin umorder ng food. And guys, medyo coffee pa yung face ko kasi kakamising ko lang talaga. May work ako kanina. Upload lang natin yung video ko on Facebook and TikTok. Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. So, yun, galing po talaga sa work. This is my birthday cake. Right here. And then I also have a Nutella cake. So, this is their steak. And then for my drinks, we have cucumber lemonade. Sobrang daming celebration ng birthday ko for this year. Photo shoot, and then last time sa Santa Maria Shrine, and then today. Actually, sobrang soft ng meat. Sobrang nasana sa may smoky flavor ng Korean pork chop. Ha! Lumubog na siya, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Kaya Korean cheesecake. Lambot kasi ng top. Since cheesecake kasi siya. So, bumagsak na. Hi everyone! It's time for a very quick unboxing. So, it's actually a gift from my best friend Bea. And kanina pa siya dumating dito, kaya lang di ako nakapag-video since ayun nga, nag-dinner kami and meron din akong work kanina. So, ngayon ko lang talaga siya bubuksan. Anyway, thank you so much Bea for this gift. Oh. What's this? Ano kaya ang laman ng gift ng aking best friend? Let's see. Wow! Watch! Ang taray naman. Leather watch. Alam niyo talaga yung favorite color ko, color brown, kapag sa mga watch. Parang nakakaputi talaga siya. Let's try it! Nice! Kasi wala na rin akong leather na watch ngayon. Yung gold lang siya. As in gold chain. Ang ganda! Very aesthetic. Ang ganda niya sa kamay. Hi, baby! Sama ka sa vlog ko. Here, baby! Look at this! Say hi to my vlog! Eh! Look at the camera! And yun guys, dito ko na lang i-end tong vlog na to. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel and also turn on the notifications so that you'll get updated when I upload my new video. Thank you for watching! See you in my next vlog! Bye!